Hey, what you're about to see is the first lesson from one of Goalie's video classes teaching kids life skills. Go to getgoalie.com or stick around to the end of the video to learn more.
Welcome to Goal Mine.
Ugh, this game stinks. And not just metaphorically. What is that smell?
I sense distress, Tara.
Oh, hey, Artie. For those of you that are new to the chat, that's my robot teacher, Artie, who I created using artificial intelligence. Can you smell that through the internet, Artie?
I'm not equipped with olfactory sensors, Tara. However, your reaction suggests a need for investigation.
Well, that's not the best smell, but it's not this. Not Mr. Greenie either. Ooh, bingo. Definitely the bathroom. Nope, not the sink. Not the shower either. Could it be... Yep, it's definitely the toilet. I definitely remembered to flush, but it still isn't clean.
A thorough cleaning seems necessary, Tara. Would you like me to guide you through the process of how to clean the toilet?
Yes, please, Artie, but how about a joke first? What's a toilet's favorite sport?
I'm not sure, Tara. What is a toilet's favorite sport?
Bowling! Get it? Sorry, couldn't resist the potty humor. How to clean the toilet with Terabyte. All right, Artie, what's the first step for how to clean a toilet?
Lesson 1. Preparing for cleaning. We will identify the necessary cleaning supplies and discuss their importance.
It's our duty to prepare for the duty. And after we're armed and ready,
Then we proceed to Lesson 2. The cleaning process. This involves applying cleaner and cleaning all of the toilet's surfaces.
getting into the nitty-gritty. And once we've vanquished the smell,
We move on to Lesson 3. After cleaning care. We'll rinse and dry all areas, then store our cleaning supplies properly.
I guess every good detective needs to clean up after solving a case. All right, Artie, let's get started. Engage Lesson 1.
Engaging Lesson 1. Preparing for cleaning. In this lesson, we will review the necessary cleaning supplies to clean the toilet.
Wait, doesn't the toilet clean itself? I mean, it's got water in it all the time. It should always be clean.
That's a common misconception, Tara. While water does help keep the toilet bowl clean to some extent, it can't remove all the bacteria and grime that accumulate over time. That's why we need to manually clean it regularly.
I guess there are also parts of the toilet that aren't covered in water, like the rim of the toilet or the toilet seat.
For a thorough toilet cleaning, we require a couple of tools. For starters, you will need a toilet brush.
I always wondered why we had that weird-shaped toothbrush in the corner. I'm also really glad I never used it on my teeth.
The toilet brush is our most important tool, but we will also need toilet cleaner, a sponge for the other surfaces, gloves for protection, and some paper towels or a cloth for drying.
All right, Artie, I think I have everything. What's next?
I would suggest you put your gloves on before we move on to Lesson 2. And while you do that, let us perform a knowledge assessment. What cleaning supplies do we need to clean the toilet? Is it just the water that's already in the bowl? Or is it a toilet brush and toilet cleaner?
This was just the first of a 3-part class on Goalie. To unlock the rest of the course, go to getgoalie.com. Your kids will learn way better on Goalie's distraction-free tablet, and you'll get access to hundreds of more video courses and routines to help them practice too. Drop a like and subscribe, and comment what you want us to teach your kid next.